All right, today I am unboxing my Chinese oil cooler. It's this here. My wife already kind of opened it up to see what it was, I guess, but I haven't opened the box. And we got some lines, got some bolts, and got something in there. Try to do this with one hand. Ooh. It's actually kind of nice looking. Let me get this thing open. There it is. Straight from Hong Kong. Maybe not Hong Kong, maybe Thailand or something, I don't know. Somewhere. This is an Oriental oil cooler. This thing was only $36. So they come with a bracket. I don't know that that bracket's going to work out for me, because this thing should set, hopefully, something kind of like that. I don't know, I might move the air box or something and do some other mods to get it to work. Maybe something like that. Oh, so yeah. The next video I'm gonna be bolting this sucker up and maybe making like a bracket. Let's see if it see how it's gonna work. This thing came with some stuff, but I don't, like I said, I don't know if this is gonna work. This oil cooler is for a pit bike. If you hop on eBay or Amazon and search pit bike oil cooler, this is what you'll get. $36. Now, of course, I had to wait like a month for it to come in. But yeah, so I guess that goes somewhere like that. And then, I don't know, something like that somehow. I'll have to modify it a little bit, make it work. So yeah, check out the next video where I bolt her down.